omukoro ogutebekanisiibwe omu rukazo aho abapoliisi bashaziremu kwegita aha abantu babutosha omu kuhendera omwaka orikudumira poliisi omu kicweka eki ashabire abanyakazo kuguma nibakwatanisa n'abapoliisi kurwanisa obuhendabiragiro omu kicweka nikyo kimwe.
The perception that if you come to Kazo you should only serve for 3 months and you go away is a very wrong perception as leaders. So to our leaders, we need to look into that issue. It's not a good idea. To me, I say 9 months, you are still young. Because at that level, you have now fully understood how the district operates. So you are the right person to serve in this very district.
Ogu hayongere yashobora kigendererwa cy'omukoro ogu barukora buri mwaka.
A platform to share with our communities our challenges. We also be free. And the most important part of this is that as the police we become closer to the community. Then also the police officers, the senior and the junior officers, they come, the gap is bridged between the senior and the junior.
Omuringo nigwo gumwe OC station aha Bwakazo Central Police Station, SP Akankunda Joshua asimira abantu babutosha abw'enkwatanisa nungi ei barikworeka omu kubamanyisa ebiri omu kufa omu kyanga kyabo.
Where we cannot reach, people are there calling us. That's a good credit. I thank all police officers for the zeal and the cooperation you're showing. Working day and night, regardless of the smallest number, but there are no complaints. We must make it.
Omukuru w'entebe y'okubanza aha Bwakazo y'okubanza Ephraim Mwebaze nawe ashabira abapoliisi okurwanisa obushuma omu kyanga eki.
Mbwenu nshemerwa munonga omumpinduka buri muntu yagumana yaleeta ekiteekateeko kye ekirikutwara Kazo omu maisho nshemerwa munonga. Nambwenu kumwe kutukwatira abashoma boona bahwamu omu mihango omu. Ekyo nakyo kikaba ekiri ekiteekateeko kirungi. Boona twaba barisitinga mukabarunda poliisi aho mukabadisipulininga omulingo gwanyu obundi nabo abantu bakaararaho gye.
Gasha kwa Sima Naume abwa Sky TV ya Genshonga.